And now I will log into the software and perform live test SMS demonstration. I have just logged in on the bulk SMS software, and to do a live test, all we need to do is click on the SMS button and then proceed to click on Quick Send. This is where we are going to send our SMS. So the first option we have here is the sender ID. You have options to use a custom sender ID or a phone number sender ID. If you want to use a phone number sender ID, you simply type it right here. And if you want to use a custom sender ID, you can type it right here. For this live SMS demonstration, the custom sender ID that I want to use is Bulk SMS 2024. I want my SMS to be delivered to the sender name Bulk SMS 2024. I will be sending SMS to different random countries at the same time. We simply need to type in the phone numbers right here. And keep in mind, you can also upload your bulk phone numbers to the software in a file. This is a website where we can get random phone numbers of different countries to receive SMS, and we will use these phone numbers for this live SMS test message. For this live test, we are going to use a United Kingdom phone number. We simply open it in a new browser tab. We are also going to use a Denmark phone number and open it in a new browser tab. We are also going to use a Finland phone number and open it in a new browser tab. We are also going to use a Netherlands phone number and open it in a new browser tab. So we have about 4 different countries' phone numbers we have opened in new browser tabs. We have UK, Denmark, Finland, and Netherlands. And we're going to copy these phone numbers and use them for this live SMS test. Now I'm quickly going to copy these phone numbers and paste them in the bulk SMS software. These are the phone numbers that I will be sending the live SMS, and we will see how all these phone numbers from different countries will receive the SMS instantly. And now, this is where we type in our SMS message. I want to send a message like this. This is a test SMS message from the new bulk SMS software 2024. That is the SMS I want to send out. And remember, the sender ID I'm using is Bulk SMS 2024. So now we are going to click the send button and see the magic happen. And just like that, our SMS has been sent successfully. And here we can see the SMS reports. The notification we just heard are the SMS received on the phone. And right here, we can see that the SMS has been received on the phone. This is a test SMS message from the new Bulk SMS software 2024. And it is received from the same custom sender ID that we used. And now let us check the other phone numbers if they have received the SMS as well. And this is the UK phone number. Let us check for the SMS if it has been received. We simply need to refresh the page to see the SMS. And here is our SMS already received on the UK phone number correctly and from the right custom sender ID. And on the Denmark phone number, let us check as well. And yes, here we the SMS already received on the Denmark phone number and from the same custom sender ID. And this is the Finland phone number. Let us check as well. And yes, we have the SMS already received on the Finland phone number and from the same custom sender ID. And this is the Netherlands phone number. And here we have the same SMS message already received on the Netherlands phone number and from the same custom sender ID. Elevate your SMS marketing now and seize the power of instant outreach and unlock absolute business success. Click the link in the video description to get this bulk SMS software right away.